Let's see what's going on out here on our balcony. Awesome. Gosh, our stateroom attendant even tidies up out here. Now, the weather is definitely getting better. Oh, the sun feels so good. We're on deck 3. Just showing you through the porthole. This view, much closer to the ocean. It's a Niçoise salad. Yeah.
I think we'll be here for breakfast the day we leave.
Probably, yeah. There's a couple of these restaurants that are open for breakfast as well that we've never actually done. We always go to Cabanas. So this is the Princess Gathering. Michelle had tickets for this, but I guess she didn't feel like going. Is this a harbinger of things to come upon this ship? And what I'm talking about is a premiere at sea, which we're still keeping our fingers crossed for. Although they haven't announced it. We do know that when they are premiering, they normally do premiere them at sea. Now here's a porg mug. We know what they cost at Disney Springs. What do they cost here? 20 bucks. Hey. I think that's cheaper than Disney Springs. Here are the pins. But I need cruise pins. I know someone who would like that one. Ah, I love you. Ah, that's cute. I have found the Disney cruise pins. Have to wait my turn. Okay, well, I know where they are. I'll come back. This is Sea Treasures. Grown-up stuff, whatever that means. And here is a fresh version of one of my favorite shirts. Nice. That's funny. Yeah, I like that. Are these 25 bucks?
$14.99.
What? How much is... I think I need a refreshed version of this shirt. The one I've got is so worn out. $25. So that's the average price of a Disney shirt. Yeah, I'm getting it. These are nice. Whoa! 150 bucks. Tommy Bahama shirt. That's a little bit more than I'm willing to spend for a shirt. $26.99. That's about average. $14.99. It's a smaller mug. A little small for me. I like more coffee than that. These are nice. Kind of like this one. These are $40. 17 bucks for Disney Fantasy. 10 bucks. It's pretty cool. I like that. Here's a little tip. If you happen to be Disney Vacation Club, you can get a discount on anything over $50. Going into Whitecaps, some higher end stuff. Bottle of the cologne I use. How much is it here? $78. Well, that's a good price. Duty free, I think we paid $90. You're a huge Star Wars fan with a lot of cash. You can pay $8,010. Yes. Yes. It is so sparkly though. That's pretty cool, but I think I'd rather have a couple of cruises than that. That's just a personal thing. Here's Dooney and Burt cruise line purse. Yep, $448. Wow. blue one is $268. Seems like a deal compared to the other one. Buy me a watch, Mom.
Sure. How many would you like?
Like all of them?
No.
Well, one of each. They're really good. Lots of Dooney and Burke bags here. How much for the purse? Little purse, regular size purse. So this one is $248. And Charmaine and I are about to have a couples massage. So we're gonna go get checked in. We just had a massage at Senses Spa. We had the couples massage. And it was pretty awesome. I think Shara's gonna get her nails done a little bit later. I'm just gonna chill out. That deck 11, it's nice. There's a lot of fun stuff to do, but man, is it busy. I got this big, huge deck, this big patio here, all to myself. And the sun has come out. The sky is blue. Love these big puffy clouds. And you know what? I'm going to be spending an awful lot of time right here. Wouldn't you? It is formal night. I am currently not formal, as I'm about to I'm going to go to the show, and I'm going to get formal once I have seen the show. Oh, Minnie looks very nice. About to watch Wishes. This theater is amazing. It's huge. I will not be filming during the show, but I just wanted to say, I think the girls are missing out. There's Daisy. So just got out of Wishes. It was a great show. It was really good. Maybe not the best show I've ever seen, but it was very good. So I really enjoyed it. I'm glad I got to see it. So now it's time to get ready for dinner. It is formal night, and look at me. Do I look like a Bond villain? That's what I'm going for.
Did you say dork?
No, it says Pickle Rick.
That's right. Pickle Rick! So now we can kind of see what each line is actually for. So this is the line right there for the captain.
Yeah.
Want to do that?
Yeah.
Let's do that then. We just met Captain Thor. I'll insert our picture right here. Camera noise. Tonight's Tell Animals the Stingray.
Welcome to the Cognac tasting. Today we're going to talk a little bit of history about Cognac, how it made, how it get famous over the years, how it go from $5 to $1,000 for a single ounce of Cognac. All Cognacs are brandy, but not all brandies are Cognacs. This is a different brand. You see, this is famous. It don't come from the Cognac region. It's the same like champagne. It's the same like tequila. It's the same like bourbons. If bourbon don't make in America, you can't call it a bourbon. So it's the same like Cognac. This one have to come from the southwest part of France. This one is made in Paris. So that's why this is called Camus. By law, Cognac have to distill twice. First distillation of Cognac, you use it to make something like this. You know what this is called? Anybody know what this is?
Grappa.
Grappa. This is the first distillation of Cognac. Over there, we have a lot more over there as well too. We have one in the box. It's Martel Premium Voyage. It's go for $1,000 an ounce. We're gonna start like with VSOP and higher. VSOP means very special old pale. This one I'm gonna give you to try as well. XO means extra old or extraordinary. By law, this have to age over 10 years to consider an XO. This is Louis XIII. This one before you can get this one before for $1,500 a bottle. You know how much a bottle for this now? Anybody can make a guess?
3,200. 3,200.
3,200. Any more guess? You can get this one now for $3,500 a bottle from just $1,500 before. So take up number one. Number one is the one right next to the water. We're gonna go right to left, and you're gonna hold it in your hand. Just rub it between your hand like this. Just hold it. Just rub it a little like this. Let it get a little warm. You see how smooth is this going down? It's really nice. It's really smooth all on its way down. So if anybody want to try a little bit of this, I can give them a little try so you can taste the difference. Anybody want to try this one? Who never tried Hennessy VS before? You want to try?
Sure.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Just a little bit to taste the difference between a VS and a VSOP. Because most people think our cognac look the same. you taste the difference.
Yeah.
Okay? The taste, that one is very harsh. That's why most people mix this one with Coke and ginger ale. And the both of them age over 10 years as well too. But you can smell them now and tell me if you can detect the smell of the two of them and tell me which one you think there is. You think if I serve you this two, you can detect the difference between them? You think you can tell me the difference between them? If I serve you them side to side like this, if I give you two XO like this, you think you can tell me the difference?
I can smell a difference.
You can smell the difference, yes. You can smell the difference. By smelling alone, you can smell the difference as well too. You're gonna go and taste them side to side, drink some water in between and taste them side to side. You think if you come to a bar and I serve you this, you're gonna know the difference? Huh? You think you can know the difference now you taste them? Okay, take up back number 1 and number 4 and smell them side to side. Number 1 and number 4. Your glass where you don't have number 1 into. And number 4. Okay? You smell number 1 and number 4. And tell me when you smell the two of them, what smell you get from the two of them?
Caramel.
You smell the caramel inside. Exactly. That's what I was looking for.
I need a friendly.
This is the one we have on ship, the most expensive one on board. This is a Martell Premium Voyage. This one, the grapes and the barrel the way they use for this is over hundreds of years old. This one, when Remy Martin died, they started this one. And they say after 100 years, they're gonna start to bottle it. This is over 3 generations go and do this one as well.
Wow.
This one, the bottle can move. The bottle stops you there. So if we want to take out the ounce from this, you have the stuff you have to put on inside and take out the ounce.
Wow.
So this is where I was telling you in the beginning. This one, I'm the only one going to touch this one because if there's anything, I have to write a long letter to Mickey and it's not going to be good. Because even though you put it down inside and you take it up and you release your hand too quick, all of this gonna go on the floor, and that's gonna be $1,000 gonna drop on the floor. But these ones, when the bottle finish, you can get this bottle as well too. We ship it to the person who get the last ounce in this one without nothing inside. It value 5,000 empty. The one the Louis Vuitton writers. The one was empty. So thank you guys again for coming out to the cognac class. You guys can still sit back, relax, enjoy your cognac. If you have any more questions for me, you can come and see me by the bar.
Well, look at that. Now we know everything that there is to know about cognac. And I also know, not a big fan. First time I've ever had it. Never drank cognac before. And yeah, there's better stuff. I mean, it's not my flavor palette, I guess you could say. I like whiskey. I like bourbon. I like vodka. I like a lot of stuff. Can't say if I never drank cognac ever again the rest of my life, I'd be sad. That's what a cognac tasting is like. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe. Hit the like button. See you next time. It's your buddy Chris from Holy Moly. Bye-bye.
I could never get enough of this old piano. Or the crashing sound of the breaking waves down here. Now I've been sitting here most of the day. Don't know why it's so hard to tear myself away. I can almost hear the ocean talk.